G'day everyone, I'm about to do a service on the air filter. I'll give it a clean. But I want to show you the tyre, especially my front tyre, and see what sort of kilometres I'm getting out of that and the wear. Okay, so you can see there's a little bit of wear on the back side of that, but that front tyre has done 7,200 kilometres. So there's still a fair bit of life left in that yet. That's incredible. And that's a mixture of bitumen and dirt. So that's the Dunlop 606, so that's fantastic. Alright, now I'm gonna take the air filter out. So these things are pretty easy to get out. It's got a little bit of dirt on it. But, time for a clean. I also like to use some gloves when I'm doing the clean. If you get itchy eyes, you need to keep the oil off your hands. There we go. Just got a little bit of dirt on it. Drop her in the bucket. Take gloves off, clean hands. Now, I like to use this stuff here when I clean my air filters. Very easy, clean, washed off in water. It's great. Pour a bit of this on. And just start massaging it. See all the dirt coming out of it? It's pretty easy to use. I first got onto this stuff, I was at a Theodore trail ride, and my air filter became so bloody choked up with dust and crap, and I needed to clean it. I went over to the Honda store that was there, and all they had was that Motorex air filter cleaner, and I had never used it before. So oh yeah, it washes out in water. I'd only ever used different sorts of stuff or different cleaning products, and I was able to do this on the trail ride at my tent, and yeah, it was just, I was able to just wash it out with water, dry it out and put it back in. It's pretty easy. See how much that's cleaned that up. Look at that. So pour it into the laundry, give it a clean, wash all the residue out. And again, just massage it. Don't twist it, you'll end up wrecking all the glue and everything else, so just squeeze it out. That's it, let it dry. Alright, got me two filters, all nice and clean. If you're in a bit of a hurry to use one, you get a clean towel. This is my clean shed towel, and you can just massage it with the towel and get any of the water out that's still in there. It's going to be like 39 degrees today, so they're going to dry pretty quick. But just a little tip if you need it to dry a bit quicker. So just go around the bead part of it, this bit that settles in. It's actually pretty dry there now, it hasn't been too long, so that's really good. You can feel a bit of moisture in the towel, the stuff that's already come out of it. That edge there seems to be like the thickest part of it that holds a bit of water in it. That's good, I'm pretty happy with that. I like the Motorex one better. It has a thicker wall thickness there compared to the old standard one. Like, she's pretty thin and it feels really flimsy, whereas this one feels pretty strong and tough compared to the old standard ones. So I kind of like the Motorex one, it's pretty good. Okay, they're dry. I'll put some oil on them. Now, oiling the filter, again it comes down to preference and what you want to use. I've been using the Castrol foam air filter oil for a bit and it's been pretty good. So I get a plastic chopping bag, stick my filter in the bag, give it a spray. I'm going to give it a bit of an all over one to start with. Not a lot because you'll be able to massage it through in the bag. And most importantly, don't forget that edge as well. And while it's in the bag, just massage it through. Do that for a little bit, check it, see if it needs a bit more oil on it. Still got clean hands. Wife's got the bloody vacuum cleaner going. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but she's always doing something when I'm trying to record. But it's nice and blue. There's a couple of little patches there that need a little bit on them. It's got a little bit more on. Give it an extra bit around the rim part where it's going to seat. Oh, I think that's looking pretty good. Again, just massage it back in. You don't need tons of it. I see guys bloody got oil fucking dripping out everywhere under their bikes through the drain hole from all the oil that they put on their bloody filters. Look at that. Pretty happy with that. Stick it up there. Put my trusty old gloves back on. Inspect your cage for dirt and stuff that shouldn't be there or any damage to it. We'll put it back on. There we go. I'll put it back in the bike. Inspect your backfire screen, make sure it's all still good, make sure there's no dirt, that's where it shouldn't be. Feel around your air filter, make sure it's all seated very nicely, and I'm pretty happy with that. That's good. Gloves off, still got clean hands. Job's done. So that's just my way of doing my air filter, and it's worked great countless times. Everyone's got their own ideas. If you're unsure about it, it's just a bit of guidance. Everyone's got different techniques. But anyway, cheers from Yowie.